What up? It's your boy, Hash Info. How you doing? So we're over here at the Hash House at Go, just doing a little bit of home reno, and I thought I would throw a question out to the audience. How do you dismount the damn thing? Do I pull that off? Do I pull it off? I thought at least some of that was paint. We're sanding and everything, so it's dust. There's no way that thing was always that dirty. But yeah, no, we're sanding. If you look at this side, she's decent. She's decent, bud. But yeah, so we're trying to figure this out right now. How in the world do you take this thing off? So we'll see what's really going on here. 19 degrees in the house. Humidity is 34 degrees, so it's very low humidity. I'm gonna run a nebulizer for a while, get it up to about 39, 41, I would guess. 45 at best. I highly doubt it'll ever hit 45. We have 3 nebulizers, so we could get them all going. But oh, it's already up to 20. I'm standing here. That's how hot I am, ladies. So yeah, if anyone out there knows how, do I just pull this straight off the wall? Or is that seriously bad? Because I'm thinking you just pull this right off the wall. Right? Is that what's going on? Oh, did we do something right for a change, bud? Look, we pulled this off. And I guarantee you that this one is different than the new one. This one's so different. Look at this one. We can't use this one. We have to get, we have to put something else on this unless there's something else in here. We picked up this Honeywell. Don't need a programmable. This one's programmable, not really. Well, you know what? I don't know. Unless this thing is it. Honeywell Home. Oh, I gotta slap this thing in. So this thing is gonna house these like that. Alright, so this thing gets mounted in the wall. This thing comes out of there. Is this true? Please tell me someone's just totally playing tricks on me and this is like super easy. Do I put it here? Can I just put it right here? If you're an electrician out there, don't laugh too hard. I have never done pull. It wants me to even pull that. I will not pull on that, sir. Let's pull it. Watch it just freaking explode on me, bud. What now, bud? Holy wow. What? It wants wires. UNR wires. Obviously, I'm getting an electrician, but you're exposed. Wires should be this length. Holy crap. There's some wires right there, bud. There are some wires there. Look onto those wires and fear them, bud. No clue what that red wire is. Never touch the red. Don't even point too many times at the red wire. If I point again. Wow. Look onto it. Oh, we touched the red wire. You can't even touch the red wire. Only I can touch it. Do not dare try and touch it. So there's stuff going on this, eh? So if you're trying to figure out how to change your thermostat, you have clicked on the wrong video, bud. Just letting you know straight out of the gate. This is not the video to learn about how to change out your thermostat. This was to show you why it's so important you get an electrician to your house stat to plug in this electrical device. Because, wow, bud. I swear one time maybe I was looking at one of these and I was like, yep. Uh-huh. Holy, we need a wire stripper. I haven't seen a stripper in like 20 years, bud. I can't even do that stuff. The wife just would not allow it. No, 14 years ago to the day, probably, I did see a stripper one time. This is a fact. With the wife, at the wife's friends. But that's another story for another stream, episode, upload, whatever it is. What have I got for you? You know, there's stuff going on, but these are plantains right here. These are plantains. So yeah, if you're figuring out how to get this wall mounted, wrong vid, bud. But I just thought I'd say, hey, how you doing, homies? Hey, how you doing? See me with the bangs on the over the eye like that? It's a new fad I'm starting back up again. It's stuff you need. It's like 9 tools. The same shit, the same stuff you use to build a house, you need to plug in your thermostat. Look onto it. Look onto that stuff. A pencil, a level, 9 screwdrivers, 3 strippers, and some dude with needle nose. Drill and drill bit. You need the drill and a drill bit. There's like 14 items there before you're talking about putting in 7 screws to hold up this, like, it's like a quarter pound, maybe it's probably a QP right there. This one is a bit tankier. This one's nice. I like this thing. I think this will be the one. Keep this one. There's no mercury in this one either. This is a Honeywell Home thermostat, T2 non-programmable, room and set temperature display with backlight. Okay, and that's what it'll look like. I was thinking of getting one that told the humidity in the house, but I don't know how much they cost, and I am not. This one does hot and cold. Compatible with most systems. That's not true. Oh, do we try and find one that's still compatible? Ooh, peace. What we're gonna do is check this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go over and we're gonna find one that bops in. What is really going on? Maybe it's not the thermostat. Maybe it's just thought maybe we'd change out the thermostat and upgrade it. But now I'm thinking, nah. I'll blow in there a couple times. We're good for another 14, 15 years, bud. I am not sticking my finger there. I almost want, not just to dust her off, right? Look on to all that stuff. Look onto it. Don't ever touch the red wire. No, don't do it, no!